welcome to today's video, and please excuse me for this. Yeah, it is so hot here in Delhi. I think we're having a heat wave. I cannot bear having too much on, but I still, yeah, I'm not sure if it is visible, but I have my shirt on and I have my scarf on because that was the only way of looking cute right now. Fan is off because that makes a lot of noise. So here I am trying to film a video with no fan and no AC because both of them make a lot of noise. Anyhow, so while I was planning what can be done in next video, I realized that May is almost over. And I know we say that all the time that this year went by so fast, this month went by so fast, but 2018, oh my god, the year is flying on jet speed. We are already in May and there's so much happening in my life, in work life, that you might see soon. Expect something really interesting very soon. It has been months since I did my favorites, so I'm not sure if I can call them monthly favorites, but here are my favorites for the month of May that I've been liking, I think for 2018 almost. Some of them are my, like, you know, things that I just started loving in the month of May. Some of them are the things that I've been loving for the entire year, and I think this intro is too long and let's start. Starting with a product that I've recently started loving, which is this shampoo by Kerastase. It is the Kerastase Nutritive Bane Statin one. I don't know, it's a very funny name. If you're looking for a shampoo that can clean your hair without stripping off all the moisture, then this is a fabulous shampoo. I have been using it, I think, for 1 month or 1.5 months. I love it. So that is the first product. Next product is my Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions eyeshadow palette, and I'm not a really colors kind of a girl when it comes to eyeshadows, but this palette, I don't know why, I've started loving it. I have hints of it on my eye. I have used I think yellow from there today. It's on my lid, I'm not sure if you can see it, but I've used yellow, I've used this color on the outers, and this gorgeous color is on the lower lash line. I am going to do a full look with this fabulous color. The shadow, the palette is highly pigmented, obviously. Also the colors look really nice and bright. I have made sure that this looks sheer today, but otherwise you can go for a complete opaque look and you can easily achieve it with this palette. So yeah, I really love it. Then okay, this is very random, but I'm going to do skincare now. So I am loving this Innisfree, the green tea serum. I've been using it for 6 months now, 5 to 6 months, and I've just started using this second bottle. It is a fabulous serum. No matter what your skin type is, what your skin issues are, this serum will solve it all. This is basically a product for every skin girl and guys as well. Believe me, a lot of my male friends use it and it works for them also. I would say that if you use this, you can expect your skin to look nice, fresh, hydrated, non-oily, non-sticky, and I think it works on all the scars that you have. I have noticed a lot of fading of my scars with this. An amazing product. Then I have this perfume, which is by Elizabeth Arden. It's called Pretty. I use it 3 times a day, and not because it evaporates, just because I love spritzing it. My best friend Shreya gave it to me. Hi Shreya, if you're watching, please call me. We haven't met in ages. Hi. So yeah, as you can see, it's almost halfway. I got it last August and I've been making very good use of this. How pretty is the cap? Yeah, so it smells like, it's like floral, but really, you know, expensive and posh. I don't know, I think I'm very bad at explaining fragrances, but it is floral, but not like out there floral. It's muted, just perfect for me, and it stays on for 5-6 hours, and I'm the kind of person who sweats a lot and it still stays on. So yeah, that is nice. It makes me feel the fragrance is very fresh, so I just love using it for summer. So that is that. Then there are 2 more Huda Beauty products that I've been obsessed with. This is the Huda Beauty Foundation, and I have it in the color Butter Pecan 330N. Oh my god, this works as eraser, literally like eraser. I got it from Nika's car market store, and first time I used it, I had it in my hand and it was a little bit because I was like, oh my god, it literally looks like you are looking at yourself through a filter. It is fabulous. It photographs very well. I don't know, it hides everything. It is full coverage. I use 1/4 pump. I have used 1/4 pump today on my face, and it's giving amazing coverage. But if you use 1 full pump, it's going to be a lot, so you can cover like till here. Fabulous foundation, fabulous product for oily skin girls. It stays on all day, it keeps oil at bay, and as I said, coverage is amazing, staying power is amazing. It is very easy to blend the foundation. Packaging is fabulous. I mean, like, wow. Everything about this foundation is fantastic. Although I'm not sure how it's going to work for people with dry skin. I think it's more for people with oily skin. So if you have oily skin like me and you have a lot of acne scars like me, then this is something that you must get. Whenever I go out, I always use it, but in very little quantity for the natural look. And yeah. And the last Huda Beauty product that I love are these lashes. These are in the style Farah. I don't have them on today, but generally I wear them when I have like heavy eye makeup on and stuff. I have it in, yeah. So this is how the style looks like. It's pretty, like out there, fluffy. It makes your eyes look like $1 million. I love them, and I try and wear them very sparingly because they're super expensive and I don't want to spoil them. Then I have a highlighter kit that I've been going crazy about, and it's not Huda, it's by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is their sweet kit, and it has 4 colors. One of them is smashed, so I'm not sure how well can I show it to you guys, but yeah, these are the colors. The white one is called Marshmallow, the color which is broken is called Sassy Grey. Then we have Butterscotch on the left and Taffy on the right. So I have these 2 colors on today. Generally I use this one first, and then I use a little hint of Sassy Grey. This I had on my lids yesterday and it was really fabulous. So this is the kind of highlighter that I like to wear when I'm taking a lot of pictures. It photographs very well. It gives you that wet effect if you want, and yeah, I love it. And I get all these. I got it I think last year in their Black Friday sale. Fabulous product. Moving on, I have another product that is Shattered. I believe whatever I like, I use it every single time I do my makeup, and then I end up shattering it. So this is the blush that I am obsessed with. I have it on today. It is Shattered, as you can see. So this one is called Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo in Cali Chick 02. The color which is broken is called Pink, and this one is Plum. So I generally use pink. I'm so sorry, I cannot open it because it will be like all over, and my mom will tell me that. But this is the color that I generally use first on the apples. Then I blend it a little with this color on top. Fabulous if you're looking for that fresh summer glow. What I do is I use a little bit of Huda foundation, and I put this color on and just mascara that I'm going to show you in a little bit. I think I have included that also in my segment. So a mascara, and you're done with your makeup. Okay, moving on, the mascara that I was just talking about and I've been obsessed with these days is Roller Lash by Benefit. Oh my god, this is a sample size and I'm regretting not getting a full size product. My brother got it for me last time when he came to India. I ordered it online from the Black Friday sale. I think I got it on Boots, and this is a fabulous mascara. I use it every time that I do my makeup. It makes my lashes look like triple the size when it comes to the length. It makes them look fuller. There's no clumping. It is waterproof. It stays on all day. My lashes are like whoop, going up the guards. So it keeps them curled. And what else? Yeah, it washes off pretty easily with any makeup remover. So I think I'm going to buy like 5 full sizes of these. Yeah. So next is the Body Shop's mask. This one is Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask, and I'm almost done. Not almost, I think this is the empty container. Yes, so this is the empty container. I use it all up because I've been using it almost every single night. This is so cooling and soothing. It is like it gives me life after this hot day. Delhi is burning these days and you really need a pick-me-up, and this is my pick-me-up. So I use it almost every single day. I love it and I highly recommend it. Apart from being cooling and soothing, this also works on the pores. I think it really works on the side of the pimples. If you have acne and pimples, then this works on that as well. And I feel it works in helping fading scars. So yeah. While we're talking about fading scars, there's another product that I've been loving these days for the same, which is this aloe vera gel. This is by Green Leaf, and this was recommended to me by my dear friend Shreya, who gave me the perfume. Hi Shreya, we haven't met in ages, please meet me. So yeah, this is such a nice product. It is really cooling and it feels so nice on the skin. It is so refreshing. I use it every single time after I wash my face, which is twice a day. And I think whenever I start using this product, my skin, I don't know, it functions differently. I don't know how to say that, but my skin kind of is not as oily as it is otherwise. So this is a great product for all those people who have oil issues. So my favorite powder of the month, which is MAC Studio Fix. This works fantastically. It sets my Huda Beauty foundation and I'm oil free for at least 2-3 hours, which is fantastic for me. And then I blot off everything with like a tissue or something and I'm good to go. But I really like this powder. It never makes me look very cakey. So yeah. The brush that I have been loving this month, not actually this month, it's my favorite brush ever when it comes to eye makeup, which is this Eco Tools brush. It's a double-ended brush. I have used only this brush to do my eye makeup today, and I traveled with this a lot and it's completely like worn out, but it's an amazing brush. It was a part of a set and I've never used other brush that much, but this is fantastic. So I highly recommend Eco Tools brushes. Favorite nail paint of this month, which was on and I've just taken it off, is this one, which is Nika Diary. 220 is the number. Another Body Shop product that I have been loving is this body scrub. This one is shea butter. It really removes all the dead skin and leaves my body super smooth and moisturized. Also, I have been loving this Biotique Bio Papaya Revitalizing Tan Removal Scrub. It is so good. It does not disturb my sensitive skin and still removes all the dead skin. And I follow this scrub up with the pack that I just showed you guys. The last product that I have been loving is this Color Lip Crayon. It is called Color Take Me As I Am Lip Crayon in Seductive Tan. It is a beautiful color and it's so easy to apply. I always throw it on when I have no time to do my makeup and it always looks good. And that is all for my May favorites. I hope you liked the video. Do let me know what you are loving for the month of May or what are your summer favorites. If you want me to do a video on like random favorites like snacks, drinks and stuff like that, then we can do that as well. Do let me know in the comment section, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Cut.